Can dryer lint be recycled or used for crafts? Have you ever wondered what to do with all that fluffy lint that collects in your dryer filter? It might seem like just trash, but there are some clever ways to reuse it instead of tossing it away. Most dryer lint cannot be recycled through regular recycling programs because it often contains synthetic fibers and residues from detergents and fabric softeners. These materials make it unsuitable for standard recycling processes, so it usually ends up in the trash. But don't worry, because you can still turn it into something useful or fun with a little creativity. One popular way to use dryer lint is for craft projects. Since it is soft and fibrous, it works well for making paper or paper mache. You can mix it with glue or water to create a lightweight material for art projects. It can also be spun into yarn if you want to try making small woven items or decorations. Dryer lint can be stuffed into homemade toys or used as stuffing for small pillows or plush animals. This is a simple way to make your crafts more eco-friendly and save money. Another great use for dryer lint is as fire starters. Because it is highly flammable, you can combine it with wax or place it inside egg cartons to create easy-to-light fire starters. These are perfect for camping trips or starting a fire in your fireplace. Just add a little wax to the lint and let it harden before using. It's a quick and cheap way to get a fire going without buying commercial fire starters. If you have small pets like hamsters or guinea pigs, dryer lint can be used as bedding material. Just make sure the lint comes from clothes washed without harsh chemicals or fabric softeners, as some pets may be sensitive to those substances. It's soft and cozy, making it a good bedding option for tiny animals. You can also add natural fiber dryer lint to your compost pile. Cotton and wool lint will break down over time and act as a brown or dry material that helps balance moisture and nitrogen-rich green materials. Avoid using lint with synthetic fibers or pet hair in compost because they do not decompose well and could cause problems. Some gardeners spread dryer lint over garden beds as a mulch layer to help prevent weeds or soil erosion. Just be sure the lint is natural and free of chemicals. It's a simple way to reuse waste and keep your garden healthy. For teenagers learning basic laundry skills and practical life hacks, saving dryer lint for these uses can be a fun and eco-friendly project. Just remember to avoid using lint with synthetic fibers or chemical residues for pets or composting to keep everything safe. In the end, dryer lint is not something you can recycle in the usual way, but it can be repurposed for crafts, fire starters, pet bedding, compost, or gardening. It's a small step toward reducing waste and making everyday life a little more creative.